Hello students, how are you all? Fine? Very nice. So welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Children, today we are going to learn literacy subject. So be ready with your literacy skill book, pencil, eraser. Okay? Yes. So can you tell me what we have learned in the last episode? Yes children, what teacher has taught you in the last episode? Do you remember? Once we will revise the topic that we have learned in the last episode. Okay, so fold your hands and pay attention on the board. Okay, once we will revise the topic that we have learned, then we will start with our today's topic. Okay, yes, so before revising the topic that we have learned in the last episode, you have to tell me how many vowels are there. Yes children, you have to tell me how many vowels are there total. Yes, very good. There are 5 vowels and they are A, yes, repeat after teacher. A, E, I, O and U. Yes, these are 5 vowels. Okay, which are these 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Understood? So we have learned these 5 vowels. In the last episode, we have learned vowel A. Yes or no? Which vowel we have learned? We have learned vowel A. So we have seen which words they begin with the vowel A. Once we will revise the words, then we will start with our today's topic. Okay children? You have to point the finger in your textbook. Okay, so open your literacy skill book, page number 96. Okay, and you have to read aloud, means teacher will read and you have to repeat after teacher. Okay, yes, so are you ready? Very good. See here, bag. What is this? Bag. Repeat. Bag. Very good. Next is bat. Cap. Cat. Fan. Jam. Mat. Sad. Next is tag. Okay, so these words we have learned in the last episode. Okay children, you have to practice this sound, these words. Okay, so today we are going to learn the next vowel, that is vowel E. What is this? This is vowel E. And what is the sound of vowel E? A. Okay, what is the sound? A. So today we are going to read these words which are vowel E words. Okay, so be ready with your textbook. You have to repeat the words after teacher. Okay children, so pay attention and read it carefully. See the very first word. Which picture you can see this? What is this? Very good. It's a bed. Yes or no? What it is? It's a bed. So come on, read. See this letter. Which letter is this? B. And what is the phonic sound? B. Very good. A. D. Okay. B. A. D. Bed. B. A. D. Bed. B. A. D. Bed. Next one. Which picture is this? Den. Yes. What is this? It is a den. The house of lion. Okay. Lion lives in a den. So this is known as den. Okay. D. A. N. D. A. N. Den. D. A. N. Den. D. A. N. Den. Next picture. What is this? Very good. It is a hen. Tell me which letter is this? H. Very good. And what is the sound? H. A. And this is N. H. N. Hen. H. N. Hen. H. N. Hen. Next one. What is this? Yes, it is a jet. See the letter J. And what is the sound? J. J. A. T. Jet. Repeat. J. A. T. Jet. J. A. T. Jet. J. A. T. Jet. Which picture is this? Yes, it is a net. So see the first letter. Which letter is this? Very good. N. And what is the sound? N. N. A. T. Net. N. A. T. Net. N. A. T. Net. N. A. T. Net. Which picture is this? Yes, it is a pen. See, you can see the pen in my hand. Yes, it is a pen. So what is the spelling? See, which letter is this? P. What is the sound? P. P. N. Pen. P. N. Pen. P. N. Pen. Next picture. What is this? Yes, it's a dog. But what we call this dog? We keep this dog at home as a pet animal. So it is a pet. Okay. See this spelling? P-A-T. Pet. P-A-T. Pet. P-A-T. Pet. P-A-T. Pet. Which color you can see here? Yes, children. Which color it is? Very good. It is red color. So, see the first letter R. And what is the sound? R. R-A-D. Red. R-A-D. Red. R-A-D. Red. Okay. Next picture. What you can see here? Yes, it is wet. The boy, he has got wet. Okay. He is standing in the rain. So he got wet. See the spelling? W. Which letter is this? W. And what is the sound? W. W-A-T. Wet. W-A-T. Wet. W-A-T. Wet. Understood? So we have read the words which are vowel E words. Okay, children? So see once again. Bed, den, hen, jet, net, pet, pen, red, wet. Okay? Yes. So after completing this, now you have to open page number 9999 of your textbook. So So open your book, page number 9999. Be ready with your nicely sharp one pencil. Keep the eraser with you. So we will now practice this 3-letter words. Okay. Now we are going to practice vowel E words. So you can see here few words are given. We have to trace them. Also once again we have to write in the lines which are given below. Okay. So see here, practice, read, trace and write. What we have to do? We have to read the words first, then we have to trace the words, then again we have to write the words. Okay. So first word we will read first. Okay. Which word is this? Bed. Which word is this? Bed. Now you have to trace and write. Bed. Read loudly and write. Okay. Bed. Bed. Done? Okay. Now see the next word. Fed. Which letter is this? F. And what is the sound? Fed. After completing this, next word. Hen. Done? Bed. Fed. Hen. Okay. Next word. Jet. Jet. You have to write in good handwriting. Okay. Don't erase again and again. Write in proper good handwriting with proper formations. Okay. Yes. Jet. Next word. Lead. Done? Very good. After this, next word. Pen. Done? One more time you have to write. Pen. See. Jet. Lead. Pen. Okay. Next word. Pet. Finished? Next word. What you can see here? Ten. Okay, write fast. You have to write in good handwriting. Okay, children? Yes. Write in good handwriting. You have to write with proper formations. Okay. Done? See the words. Bed. Repeat after teacher. Bed. Fed. Hen. Jet. Lead. P and a pen, P at a pet, T and a ten. Last word is W at a wet, W at a wet, W at a wet. Okay, repeat after teacher. Bed, fed, hen, jet, lead, pen, pet, ten, wet. Okay, so you have to practice these words at home. Children, you have to also practice the phonic sounds of all the letters from letters A to Z. Okay, so in that way, if you practice, you will be able to make more words. Okay, children, so once we will revise the A to Z sounds. All are ready? Okay, all the phonic sounds of letters you have to write on one chart paper like this. Okay, you have to take help of your parents and get it done, this chart. Okay, whenever the literacy subject and phonic subject class is there, that time you have to settle down with this chart, so it will be easy for you to recognize the letters and remember their sounds. Okay, so see the first letter. Which letter is this? A. And what is the sound? Apple. Repeat after teacher. Letter A, sound is apple. B, ball. Letter C, cat. Letter D, dog. Letter E, elephant. Letter F, fish. Letter G, goat. Next is letter H, hat. Letter I, ink. Letter J, jam. Letter K, kite. Letter L, lion. Letter M, monkey. Letter N, nest. Letter O, octopus. Letter P, purse. Letter Q, queen. Letter R, rabbit. Letter S, sun. Letter T, tiger. Letter U, umbrella. Letter V, van. W, whale. Letter X, box. Letter Y, yellow. And last one is letter Z, zebra. Okay, so in this way you have to make this phonic sound chart and keep it ready. Okay, children? Okay, students, so can you tell me what we have learned today? Which topic we have learned? Yes, we have learned vowel E, and before that we have learned vowel A. So up till now we have learned vowel A words, vowel E words. Okay, so you have to practice these words at home. Also you have to do the revision, the practice of phonic sounds of A to Z letters. Okay, so meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.